guys, and welcome to another tutorial. This is the 8th tutorial, and today we'll be talking about modifying annotation styles. In the previous tutorial, we went through adding text dimensions and tables, leaders, etc. to our drawing. Now we're going to talk about styling those annotations that we put into our drawing so that we can use them multiple times and as many times as we want in our drawing in the workspace. So we are going to talk about 4 annotation styles. That's first of the text style, the dimension style, leader style, and the table style. Depending on the selection you've made, you can apply either one or more of the style selection, of the annotation style selection. The first style that we're going to talk about is the text style. The text style. So the text style allows you to style and customize your own kind of text style, text arrangement, text look, so that you can apply it to any text in your drawing or in your workspace anytime without going through the same process again. So it's like a format painter. So you save it as your customized style and then you apply it to your text anytime that you want. So let's select the text in the drawing. Let's say this green text. So when we select the text, we are allowed to change the text style because it's a pure text. There's nothing attached to it, it's just a text. So you're allowed to change the text style. When you click the drop down, you see that there are multiple text styles that are there. By default, we have annotative and standard, but you can create your own text style by just going to manage text styles, going to new, and then creating your own text style. You can now format this text style by choosing this font, changing the style, the height, how the text will look upside down or backwards, etc. After you've done all those arrangements and formatting, you click on apply and then you close it. You select the text that you want again, and then you go to the drop down menu and you click on the style that you just created. So depending on the style that you want and the style that you've just created, when you hover your mouse over the style, it previews it for you to see, and you can apply this style to every text in your workspace. So just by selecting and adding the styles, we can change the style of the text in our drawing. The next one is the dimension style modifier. So we want to modify our dimensioning style. You just click the drop down menu and you choose from the presets here. By default, you have annotative, standard, and ISO 25. So you just click on this dimensioning you want to style. Just click on it, you select them, and then click the drop down menu and then you go to the dimensioning style. So you choose any style that is available there, the preset styles. If you are not comfortable with them, you can also create a new style by going to and creating a new style. Creating a new style, you just name your style. And then you are given the opportunity to change a whole lot of things about your dimension. When you are done with this, you just click OK and it's saved there. Click close and it's applied to your dimension. So I've created a dimension style already and I've named it Android, so I'll just use it here, and you can see that it's different from the styles that are over here, so it's a difference. The next annotation style we're going to talk about is the leader style. So with the leader style, you can customize how your leader looks, how the arrow is appearing, how the text should appear in the leader, etc. You are given a whole lot to customize. So you can choose from the presets that are here. By default, there's annotative and standard. And if you are not comfortable with it, you can also create your new leader style by just going to new, and then a window will pop up and you've given a whole lot of options to customize. But I've created a customized style already here, so I would use that one as an example. So when I select my leader, that's the antenna and maybe hands, and I click the drop down menu and I go to the leader, I can change the leader style from this kind to the Android one that I just created, Android. And you can see that the style has changed. The arrowhead has changed to a circle instead of a triangular arrowhead, and yes, that's a difference. That's how you customize it. So you can also create your own customized leader styles by just following the steps of the previous styles. It's pretty much the same method. So the last one is the table style. So with the table style, you're also giving them a chance to customize how your table looks. So it's if you want to change how the table looks, you can just go to the table style, you go to a new one, or you can select. I've created a table style already, I've named it Android. You can select a new one, you create and name it, and then you are given the chance to change the borders, change the text, how the text looks, the style, the angle of the text, the kind of text that will be in the cells, etc. And when you are done, you just click OK and it's saved there and you close. So you can anytime just select a table in your workspace, and then you would choose from the ones that you've created and you just apply them. So I'm going to apply Android. I just created it, so I'm going to apply it, and you see it's changed how the text looks like. It changed the angle of the third and the fourth cells, and it's made a lot of difference. So you can apply this style to any table in your workspace, any table, and depending on the kind of selection you make, you'll be able to apply more than one style to the selection. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also share, and don't forget to also leave a comment in the comment section below. Until we meet next time, God bless you and have a wonderful day.